Here's everything you'll need to make your romantic fortune cookies. A half a cup of all-purpose flour, a tablespoon of cornstarch, a quarter cup plus 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of oil, a quarter teaspoon of salt, 2 egg whites, and I'm going to show you how to separate an egg, a teaspoon and a half of water, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a quarter teaspoon of almond extract. You'll also need some parchment paper, an electric mixer, a mixing bowl, a coffee mug because we're going to use that to fold the fortune cookies over, and a muffin tin which we use to cool the cookies so they stay in the right shape, and a pretty Chinese box for the presentation. And we'll also be using these gloves because we're going to be handling the hot cookies straight out of the oven. And last but not least, you'll need these fortunes. That's the best part. You can handwrite the fortunes or print them out on your computer. Whatever you do, be as creative as you like.